Hello, I'm Melody from Ningbo Bestway M&E Co Limited. We are a professional manufacturer of neodymium magnets, which had been manufactured neodymium magnets for more than 20 years. Our factory covers 7,200 square meters and has 150 professional employees, which is located in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province, China. Our magnet has many shapes. It's disc magnet, it's ring magnet, it's countersunk magnet, lock magnet, arc magnet, and also have many different colors. It's nickel coating, looks shiny. It's zinc coating, the color likes light blue. It's black epoxy coating. We can customize magnets according to customers' requirements. If you need them, please contact us. Bye-bye.